Myself Abhinay Kumar, roll number 2201 CS04, and my project group partner is Abhinav Gupta 2201 CS03. So this video is about our final submission in course CS359 uh, about project P2P-LAN file sharing system. So let's begin with our project. And now Abhinav will continue the explaining of coding parts, and then I will continue for further parts.
So as I earlier mentioned, this is a project regarding the construction of P2P file sharing system. So for this project, first of all, we have used Python, and for front end we have used Trillic, and for database we have used SQLite. So moving forward, this is the code for server.py. So let's see here. First of all, this is the code for initialization of the database, which will store the various things such as the information of the users and the information of the files which is shared, and many other things. Moving forward, this is the like this section of code is for the register option, which we will get on the front end or the interface. And similarly, this is the code for the login for the users who have already registered. And yes, this is for the this section of code is basically for the file sharing or the files which have been shared on the website. Yes. Moving forward, and of course this part of code represents the download for the other users who want to download the same file which has been shared by the prior users. Yes, searching of files, we can also search the files. Rate file. Yes, and yes, this is the socket creation. So for connecting to systems, we are using a socket. So Python actually has a built-in library for that, the socket io.on. And yes, moving forward. Yes. So this was the code for the server.py. Furthermore, we have this code for client.py. For each and every client, this code has to run. This code, first of all, this is the URL or the IP address for the server, and this is the port number. Yes. Furthermore, also here also we have to create a socket for establishing the connection. So yes, this the line 23 SIO is equal to socket I dot client. This initializes the socket, and this gives us various options such as uh, connect and disconnect. And let me directly move you to yes choice. So here we have the choice for login. Directly we can log in. We have also option for register. We can register, and if I directly move to interface, it will be easier to explain because we have the home page and various other pages. So let's directly shift to the pages.
Firstly, I will run server python server.py, and now server is running, and now run client file. So client is running. Now we have to connect this client to the server. So let's copy this URL. So this client will be connected to the server present in that local area network. So now let's begin. So we have to uh, achieve these features like user registration, file sharing, search functionality, download and upload, file transfer, LAN connectivity, and user interface. And we have also implemented some additional features like access control, file categorization, file ratings. So now let's check. So initially we have registered some users like Abhi. So let's check for that user. So login is successful. Now these files are shared by this user, and these are the ratings rated by some other users for these files. And here this user can see all the files sharing in this local area networks by all users. And here he can also find any files with type like txt. So this is so files of the extension .txt, and here he will also search by a specific name like txt3. txt3. So this will show file named txt3, and he can download this file. So this is file txt3. So any user can write file shared by other users. So let's suppose this user rate this file 4.5. So rating shared successfully by this user, and any users also can share files in the system by just clicking here, browse files. Let's upload this file. So this file is shared 2019 es.pdf. So this file is shared by this user. We can also drag and drop any files to share in the system. Let's suppose we share 2022. So this file is present here, and this file is shared successfully. So now let's uh, register other users to this system. Now let's suppose anyone wants to access these files without login. So this is showing please login first. So any anonymous person can't see file shared in the system, so he has to first log in the system. So or if they have not any account, so he has to first create account. Now click on menu page and click on register column, and now let's create a new user. Type their username Abhinay, and let's suppose their password is Kumar. So we can see that password. So registration is successful. Now you have to log in for this user, and recently I have created username Abhinay, and let's suppose we type wrong password like 1234, and let's check this is working or not. So this is not working, so we have to give correct password. So now login is successful, and this is new user, so he had not shared any files, but he can search any files here present in the system right now, and he can also share any files by just clicking drag and drop, and he can also search any files shared by other users and rate files. Now let's suppose any other users uh, wants to access this. Other users present in this local area network can enter in this system, and he has to just copy paste the URL of the server, that is the IP address or host name, to connect with the peers. So I have entered, and now let's Abhi will log in and wants to rate files shared by Abhinav. So here Abhinav has shared symptoms check.txt file Abhinay. So Abhi will check for txt file, and here he can find this file, and let's suppose he rate this file as this rating. Now this will be reflected in uh, this will be reflected in Abhinay's. So this will be reflected in this rating will reflect in Abhinay's sharing system. So all features are well working, and we can log out from here, and this user also can log out. So this is our project, and all all features are working smoothly, and additional features are also included for seamless operations in the sharing system. So this is from our side in this project. Thank you.